Mrs. Savitri Chandrasekhar, who is 70 years old and who has been doing a lot of introspection about life and how to lead a happy and healthy life, has given her view saying that happiness is within you and you can't get it from outside. That is, you can't search for it outside. That is the main theme of her talk. Please hear it and enjoy. Thank you.
Namaskaram. Happiness. When were you happy the last time? Can you recall? Was it on acquiring your iPhone? Or was it on acquiring an Audi car? Or was it when you were married? Or was it if you're a grandmother, when your grandchildren visited you? Can you see one thing common in all these? Your happiness, you have left it either to material things or to the bond outside you. Isn't it ridiculous? Isn't it your right to be happy by yourself instead of handing over the key of happiness to the material things or the bonds? I'm not saying you should not acquire material things or have the bonds, but do not hand over your happiness there. Use the material things for its utility value, but don't say I'm going to be happy if I acquire any of the material things or all your bonds or relationships. It's your birthright to be happy. Whenever you want, it is your happiness. So you should be the factor to decide about it, not the outsiders or the outside things. I know it is very, very difficult to think in these lines. Just think for a minute. All your desires, when it is fulfilled, you are happy. When they are not fulfilled, you are sad. So your desires also is the root cause for your happiness or sorrow. Have the desires, just have that mind, neither to be happy nor to be sad. Don't attach your happiness to the end result of your desires. If it is fulfilled, okay. If it is not fulfilled, nothing is going to happen. The whole world is not going to fall on your head. It's okay, we try again and try to do the things. And all these are ups and downs in our lives, or getting material things, or having the bonds. All these are very, very impermanent. Today, you got an Audi car. Tomorrow you may want a Tesla. It goes on and on and on because you attach your happiness for your desire to fulfill by a material thing. It's nothing permanent, and I'm not saying this. Adi Shankara has told this in his shloka, Bhaja Govindam. In different stages of your life, you have different kinds of happiness, but nothing is permanent. Happiness lies within you. You should take the key of happiness in your hand. You should be the master of your happiness. Whenever you wake up early morning today, you decide, I'm going to be happy throughout today. You are telling your mind that you are going to be happy by yourself, not because you got this or you got that or your visitors or any other factor outside you. So you just be happy on your own. This is the secret of life actually. So don't you think to be happy always is such a simple thing in our lives? Just get up every day morning, go ahead, today whatever happens. Happiness is within me. I am not going to allow any outside factors to disturb my happiness. It's my birthright. I am going to be happy all the time. I am going to be joyful all the time. Why should I bother if some X or Y from outside world is going to take away my happiness? I will never ever hand over the key of happiness in others' hands. I am going to keep it within myself. It's my right. I want to be happy. So my happiness will be decided only by the factors within me, not by the outside, either acquiring material things or the relationships or the bonds or people, behavior, nothing. I have decided I'm going to be happy. So I will be happy. I shall be happy throughout my life, every minute of my life. So be happy. Just enjoy your life.